Hello, good morning. Today is 9th of September 2020. Coronavirus and crew situation, it is worsening as we have seen how political leaders mismanage this crisis, health crisis. But back to crew, it is very risky not to be able to provide reliefs of the crew. And so what is the positive outcome of this is that I made the previous video about the flags. What is the responsibility of the employer? Let's say your employer is in Panama, it's in Singapore, Liberia, Bahamas, Bermudas, Malta, Cyprus, Madeira, Spanish flag, any other flag. So the basic right of the worker is that the employer looks after the health of the employee. Therefore, as an alternative solution, I see it is possible that you complain transparently in the social or webs of these countries about the situation. So it is not only responsibility of the flag to get the income from endorsers and endorsements and the papers, but also to provide the security of the health of the crew under that country. So therefore the health, it is binding that reliefs are made. So you can complain to these flag states and let's see how it really works. It is the only solution I foresee at the moment, as it is becoming very important that we provide reliefs for all the crew, and this is not possible nowadays because different countries have attacked this virus in different ways, but it's only one virus, so we don't really care about what the government's incompetency in this respect has been. But we have to be competent in the maritime community and employers. We must provide the solution that the flags are the employers, therefore they have to provide the solution. It's very simple. So this is something very important for seafarers to complain to the flags that they must provide the solution. Not only for invoicing and for income of endorsements and papers and so on of the ships, but also for the responsibility. Now, the responsibility of the country that employs the seafarers is the health. That's number one. And this I have not seen today. And so we have to complain to the flags and say that please give us a solution. We must get a solution for this. And I hope that you start complaining, because in the past this was not the case. But the health of the seafarers is the most important side, and the psychological health of not being able to be with your loved ones when your contract is done. It is one of the biggest risks that we are facing today. I don't foresee that this is going to be finished unless the flags get involved into getting the vaccines first to the seafarers, because I mentioned that the health is the point number one of the flags and the employer's obligation. So I hope that with the vaccines also they put priority for seafarers as strategic workers, and therefore we can guarantee the reliefs in this crisis situation. And I will continue to post more ideas about how to solve this situation in the future. And I thank you very much, 250 subscribers. Thank you very much indeed. I will keep posting more positive ideas for seafarers. I did post a lot like let's get the net equal gross, equal gross wages, the improvement in the social security pensions, the improvement into transparency, and the disruption into getting the money faster for your loved ones and getting more direct relationship with you. Meanwhile, if you are an officer, chief engineer, we are looking forward to, or any kind of position, to having your CV in our application video. You can find out, and we will continue to improve this communication. Communication is the most preventive health tool that we have nowadays, because as this digital disruption is going on, the crew and the employer, me, we have to get direct contact so we know each other, at least from this digital frame, and to continue. If you have any further ideas regarding how to improve this coronavirus situation, leave a comment, subscribe, like all these, and I hope you have nice days. And we are working very hardly to make all the reliefs possible. So I thank you very much for your attention and for your career, because you are heroes, seafarers, bringing income to, as I explained before, your country more than no other job and no other person or worker ever has done before. Thank you very much indeed. Goodbye.